there are two aspects to this answer. The first is that not everyone has the privilege of working in such a cool field. Like, I get to look at cells under a microscope every day, and I look at DNA. Like, how cool is that? And secondly, meeting incredible people who aren't only incredible scientists, but also have a really great work-life balance, and who I learned so much from in both of those aspects of science and general life. The biggest challenge is listening to my body when it needed a break. Because doing a PhD, like, there's always more to do, and you're in control of your own project. So like, no one else can really do the work for you. So when you're feeling burnout, which I often did, I had to learn to listen to my body and take that break. Otherwise, I just do the experiments wrong and have to repeat stuff again and again. So the biggest challenge was listening and taking the break. Many things. Primarily like autonomy over what I do and flexibility over the time. Like, as long as you get the work done, it doesn't matter when you do it. So I like that a lot. Listening to music while I work. And also just like the whole environment where you can be on your own if you want, but also there are people around you to chat to while you're working, which I really like. It was inspired by a professor from UCL called Professor Milne. His lectures were 3 years after his first lecture, I still remembered his lecture. And so it was the passion that he taught, with which he taught, that really inspired me to understand the topic better. And then as I continued learning, I loved the interaction between the host and the virus, and how the competition, when one sort of adapts, the other one has to adapt. And so I decided to go into viruses for that. And primarily I chose this lab because of my supervisor, who is phenomenal. I'm proud that I got up every day, even when it was tough, and I came into work and I did the work.